ಓಕೆ.
increase one. Electrical the master this carbon. After transforming this bricks.
This for second grade children. Robotics for second grade children. What
For second grade.
Second grade
Up to third grade, we are going to teach only about the magnetic blocks and about the carbon things, only about the mechanisms, how the things, right now, whatever the things are present, right? We are going to teach them about like how the mechanisms are going to work, and we are going to teach about the magnetic blocks. Like it might create some interest to the children. Later on, after the grade, yeah, it's all going to but we are going to teach them like we are going to explain some manuals, and we are going to give several tips to the children for studying so that in the group they are going to install every whatever the and we are going to parking lots are present, right? At that particular time, whenever the cars are placed, they are going to lift up those cars using this mechanism. We are going to explain this how the mechanisms are working.
What is this software code? One other software is Renesas. And which software for 3D printing? 3D printing for scan. These are same or different? Not different. Only for using these components. These are what is the instruction? Sir? The instruction. Arduino. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಹಾಕಿ ಆಪರೇಟ್
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ
ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸಗಳೈತೆ
ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.